Welcome! If you've ever muted an account on X, formerly known as Twitter, and now want to hear from them again, this video will walk you through how to unmute accounts using the latest update on your PC. The process is simple, but it can be a bit tricky to find the right settings after recent layout changes. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a column of icons. Find the one labeled More and click on it. This will open up a list of additional options that may not appear on your main toolbar. Next, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. From there, find the section called Privacy and Safety. This is where all of your account privacy preferences are managed, including muting and blocking. You'll want to head into that section to continue. Once inside Privacy and Safety, scroll down until you see Mute and Block. Click on that to expand more specific controls. You'll see two main options here, one for muted words and another for muted accounts. Choose Muted Accounts. Here you'll find a list of all the accounts you've muted in the past. Each muted profile will have a small unmute icon next to it, usually shaped like a speaker with a line through it. To unmute someone, simply click that icon. The moment you do, the line disappears, and that person's posts and replies will start showing up in your feed again. If you want to unmute several accounts at once, you can repeat these steps for each one on the list. There's no extra confirmation required. Once the icon changes, the account is unmuted immediately. And that's it. You've now successfully unmuted an account on X using your PC. Stay connected, engage with your favorite creators, and keep your timeline exactly how you like it. If this walkthrough helped you, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.